Здравствуйте, меня зовут Мария. Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Russian Together to Success. Today we are going to continue our lessons about written rules. There is the letter Ж. Repeat after me. Жа, жа, жо, жо, жу, жу, же, же, жи, жи. You could notice there is the letter E after the letter Ж. It is the rule. After letters Ж and Ш, we always use the letter E, not U. Now I added the vowels and formed our syllables. Let's read. А, жа, а, жа, о, жо, о, жо, у, жу, у, жу, е, же, and и, жи. And now I'm going to add consonants after our syllables. Repeat after me. Жам, жам, жом, жом, жум, жум, жем, жем, and жим, жим. There are examples. Repeat after me. Жар, жар, жук, жук. Now you can stop the video and try again one more time. And don't forget about our preparatory course of Russian. You can get that certificate and further become the student in Russian. Click links below and we will contact you. Let's move on with the unvoiced letter Ш. Repeat after me. Ша, ша, шо, шо, шу, шу, ше, ше, ши, ши. As I mentioned before, the consonant sh after the consonant sha, we always use the letter E, not U. Let's continue. Аша, аша, ошо, ошо, ушу, ушу, еше, еше, иши, иши. And there are our examples. Шарф, шарф, шкаф, шкаф, шум, шум, пишем, пишем, спешим, спешим, Please don't forget about our preparatory course of Russian. You can get the certificate and further become students in Russia. Click links below and we will contact you. Thanks for watching.